I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy using orange. Start by juicing fresh oranges and straining out pulp for a clear flavor base. Warm orange juice with gelatin, honey, or sugar, and a pinch of salt until the gelatin dissolves. Pour into molds, chill for at least 2 hours, then unmold and dust lightly with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Serve chilled and enjoy vibrant citrus gummies. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Heat juice gently and sprinkle gelatin evenly to avoid clumps while whisking constantly. Stir in sweetener and any flavor boosters until fully dissolved and glossy. Pour the mixture quickly into molds to capture the air and set evenly. Refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours to reach the ideal chew and texture. Troubleshoot common problems by checking gelatin freshness and avoiding high heat, which breaks setting ability. If gummies are too soft, gently reheat with a bit more gelatin dissolved and rebatch into molds. For crystal clear gummies, strain twice and avoid foam when pouring. Experiment with zests, extracts, or spices for unique flavors, and remember to label batches if you try different recipes so you know what to repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.